Hey food lovers, welcome back to the Trust Me, I'm a Doctor YouTube channel where we dive into the delicious and the daring. I'm Andre and today we're tackling a culinary conundrum. Can a steak that's been sitting in my freezer for 20 months still be good to eat? Stick around and let's find out. Let's take a closer look. Alright, here we go. Deep in the depths of this freezer lies our contender. Look at that. It's been sitting in here for a whopping 20 months. As you can see, it's not vacuum sealed, which is not a very good sign for a long time storage of meat in the freezer. But we'll have to see if the original grocery store packaging is enough to keep it fresh over the last 20 months.
According to the USDA, frozen beef is safe indefinitely if kept frozen continuously, but for best quality, use steaks and roast within 9 to 12 months and ground beef within 3 to 4 months. Here's what happened when we aged a steak for 20 months in the freezer, then cooked and ate it.
This is a pack of rib eye steaks. They are from September of 2022. The current date now is May 15th, 2024. Let's find out if these steaks are still edible or do they have an off-putting taste after they're cooked. Here's our steak. It doesn't look bad. Let me get a whiff of it. There's no bad smells. Let's take note. There is a little bit of yellowing. I don't know if you can really see it good on the camera, but just a little tiny bit of yellowing on the edges of the fat cap. We're gonna season this rib eye with just some salt and pepper, just to keep it simple. There we have it. Our 20-month-old ribeye steak is seasoned and ready to cook.
I think this steak is pretty much done to my liking. So I'm gonna go ahead, take it off the heat, wrap it in aluminum foil, and let it rest.
Now this steak has been resting about 10 minutes. Let's slice it up. And just to top it off, a tiny bit more salt and pepper. Let's go ahead and try it. Okay, so here's the final product. Let's see if we can detect any off flavors. A little overdone. I usually make it medium rare. Not bad flavor. Not bad at all. The thing I want to really look out for at this point is if I have any kind of aftertaste that lingers, something unpleasant. But so far, so good. I'm going to dip it. It's a little au jus sauce right there. I'm going to dip it in there. Okay. I'm not mad at this steak. It's probably better than a lot of restaurant steaks I've had. There's a little piece of fat dangling right there. I'm gonna try that. Maybe the fat has the off flavor. I don't know. But so far I haven't detected any off flavor in the beef. It tastes really good. Sorry, but it does. Maybe I might detect like a ever so slight bit of gaminess in the fat, but really nothing off-putting. It's almost kind of exotic.
Still tastes good. I'm sorry. My one complaint. I probably cooked it a little too long. So it's flavorful, but it's not as tender as a medium rare steak. So it seems like I don't taste any bacteria, foul taste or smell. I'm over halfway through this steak. I have maybe about close to 5 more pieces, plus some little stragglers. It still tastes good, but I will keep you updated. Let me finish this off, and if after I'm done eating or in the middle of the night or tomorrow morning, if I feel something weird or I get sick, I'll start the camera back up and let you know. But so far, so good. Last piece. I think this has a little fat and gristle on it, but I'll chew around it. All right, that's it. I'm done. So far, tastes so good. Like, comment, subscribe.
No food reviewers were harmed during the filming of this video. Don't try this at home. A slight freezer burn aftertaste may occur after consuming a 20-month-old steak. Your results may vary.